Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Airdro World. Friends, new project Merlin Finance, Merlin Lab new finance project. So here is a Dex auto compounding and unBTC. So there is a auto compounding website that where we can stake our coins and earn huge money. So if we check the website, you have to just connect your wallet, MetaMask wallet, Nikon MetaMask wallet, and your wallet is connected. This is a website that is on BNB BSC Smart Chain. So as you can check that zero the total liquidity is $206 million. $206 million. There is a huge amount. So if we can check that Merlin, if we stake Merlin, so if we stake Merlin, we can earn a 428% of our investment. So APY is equal to, you can check and earn WVNB. So APR is equal to 166.89. APR is changed time by time. So there are different options where you can stake your money. If you stake Merlin and BNB LP tokens, if you stake Merlin and BNB both tokens, the APR is 271.63%. so there is huge opportunity of earning money. So if you invest if you want to invest $100 or 1,000, if you want to invest $1,000, so you have to deposit $500 Merlin tokens and $500 in BNB tokens, then make their LP tokens, and then stake these LP tokens into this farming pair. Then you can earn 271% APR on the basis of your investment. So if you invest huge money, you can earn huge. So there are different APRs, auto compounding, auto farming. These are all these pairs, farming pairs. You can check 83% BNB Uni, BNB Link coin. These are all good coins. So if we check the white paper of this project, so Merlin Lab introduction. So Merlin is an auto compounding yield aggregator with an ecosystem optimized to focus on safe and sustainable maximum yield return. So Merlin take care of gas costs, APY track optimal yield strategies, security with the goal of maximizing diffuser yield farming, lowest possible cost. All APY and APRS displays are exclusive of fees. So why did we build Merlin? So there are all the details about this project, but if we check the roadmap of this project, so here is the roadmap. So you can see that Q2 2021 will run pre-launch marketing services activities, ambassador campaigns, airdrop campaigns, complete audit, hack and cyber security. So they are doing with their project. So you can also check that cross chain Q3 में ये launch lottery, open buyback and burn reserve, cross chain complete sex listing process and process of sex listing, ongoing marketing and PR work. These are all the details about the roadmap. So vaults, if we check about the vaults, how do vault work? Vaults are automated investment instrument that utilize optimal strategies to maximize yield. Merlin uses vaults to automatically invest and compound deposited assets. Vault comprise of either a single token or a pair of tokens that are invested into liquidity pools. Are displayed APY or Merlin vaults take an account compounding and fees. So these are the details of the example of the cake maximizer vault work. So by using vault we can earn huge money. So here is your Twitter account. You can check that their Twitter account is very active. They are uh, posting this regularly. So as take at the highest, they are giving highest APYs cake. They are giving 200% APY on cake. They are giving cake BNB vault 150% APY. Berlin BNB vault 1600% APY. So if we check about the certic audit completed, so Merlin is also available on DBank. So Merlin 200 plus 190 million plus. So Merlin, you can check that they are posting regularly on their Twitter account. They are very active. Their team is very strong. We partner with the SVC Finance to create limited edition NFT collection for limited time. So they are also participating in NFT. So lottery system, how to buy. The price of one Merlin is $32.78. Now if you want to buy Merlin, then click on buy. Merlin coin is available on PancakeSwap. So you just have to add to the Merlin coin to the PancakeSwap and click on connect. MetaMask. I have some BNB in my wallet, so you can check that I have clicked on the maximum button and 0. If we have 0.2 for BNB, we will receive 2.60 Merlin coin. So here is all the details about the Merlin coin. If you can sell, then easily you can sell your Merlin coin on PancakeSwap, and easily you can buy your Merlin coin on through PancakeSwap. So here is the detail about the whole project. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you like this project. Thank you so much.